going to show you some beautiful fabrics today. They're all designer fabrics and they're all $14.99, except that you've got that 25% running today, and so they're going to be even a little less. Watch for your coupon. We're going to start with a beautiful knit. This is a peach. It's 100% cotton. You can see it's not a lightweight. You can't see my hand through it. It stretches in both directions. It's just perfect for just a casual little pair of yoga pants, but just so beautiful for spring. Just a really beautiful piece of fabric. Then we have an orange, and this orange is a cotton poly. It has beautiful drape. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that beautiful? And the other day I saw a fashion show and it was mixing orange and pink. So I wanted to put these two together. This would be great for the base, and then the little, this is the innuendo, goes over it. This has a really, really fine stripe to it. It's really hard to see. It is a woven. It's a cotton poly, almost 100%. It's just got a tiny little bit of poly in that. Isn't that pretty together? And they're really showing it a lot together. This is 100% cotton. It's a beautiful, beautiful weave, beautiful selvage. If you look at our photo on our site, our new site, you'll see that what the jacket I made out of it. And I made it last spring. But I went to this, was in New York last week, or 2 weeks ago, and they had this fabric, and they had just this bolt sitting to the side, and I thought, oh, I want that fabric. So it had just kind of gotten overlooked. So anyway, I was really excited to see that. 100% cotton on this yellow. Then we have a denim. Now this denim is pre-fused. The denim itself is 100% cotton. The fusible has a little bit of poly to it. But it's gorgeous. It's a lightweight, and it's a stretch. No, it's not a stretch. I'm sorry. It's just a woven. It's so pretty. It's just a really beautiful denim. So if you want a denim shirt dress for spring, it's already fused, and that fusing, I'm sure, is to retard the wrinkling. It just has no wrinkling to it at all. It's really, really nice. So that's a beautiful fabric. And then we come in with this bubblegum color, and it's got a little bit of a plaid on the front of it, and it's a velvet, little velvet design. Isn't that beautiful? It also goes with the orange. It's pretty, just so pretty together. Anyway, have fun. The whole goal this weekend is a holiday weekend, and we want to have some color. So great prices, great fabrics. This is 100% cotton. I don't think I said that. Isn't that beautiful? Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.